Hey, stay and subscribe to this channel for more laughs and cash tips. Knowledge is your secret weapon. Join our free training in the description to turn it into digital product goldmine. Stick around for a hilarious story. Let's talk about Dave, a dad who thought making money online meant selling his kids' old toys. This totally flopped hard. Then he turned his barbecue grilling skills into a $22 digital recipe guide with a quick TikTok dance. Yes, really. He automated sales, and now he's pulling in $1,200 a month while burning burgers less often. Listen, you want to make money online, but it's a circus out there. Have you ever tried selling random stuff on eBay or chasing crypto trends? Yeah, me too. And total flop city. You're stuck thinking, what do I sell? Where's the tech help? Don't worry, we've got the clown car solution. Time to juggle your way to profit with digital products. Here's the trick. Number 1, unleash your weird skills. Got a knack for knitting or yoga? Turn it into an ebook or a course, and we'll be there to guide you. Number 2, market the giggle. As funny Instagram reels or emails to get noticed, no tech degree needed. Number 3, automate like a pro. Set up sales on automated platforms so you're earning while you're napping with huge profits. This beats selling dusty old toys. Your skills solve problems and fill wallets. Want in on the fun? Hit our free training in the description to learn this. Trust me, it's better than a circus act. And believe me when I say we've tripped over tech too. Tried making money online and face planted hard. But over the years, we've cracked digital products with a system that's foolproof. And we're here with the tech support to save you from the chaos. We're real people, real laughs, and real results. Are you ready to laugh all the way to the bank? Grab our free training in the description to create, sell, and automate your digital products. Like, subscribe, and let's get rich without having to wear that clown nose. See you in the next video.